Bharat Dynamics Limited has signed a $21 million export contract for countermeasures dispensing system with Airbus Defence of Spain, and under this contract, Bharat Dynamics Limited will supply its in-house developed countermeasures dispensing system to Airbus. Lockheed Martin has announced that it is working with the US government to shift the manufacturing of certain parts and subsystems of its Legion ES infrared search and track sensor system and sniper advanced targeting pod to India, and Lockheed will send the requests for quotations to prospective Indian suppliers next month. Both the Legion ES infrared search and track sensor system and sniper advanced targeting pod are part of the F-21 fighter jet package that Lockheed Martin has pitched to the Indian Air Force for its 114 MRFA program. After the conclusion of the Dubai Air Show 2021, a team of Hindustan Aeronautics will soon arrive in Cairo, Egypt, to hold talks with the officials of Egyptian Air Force for the possible sale of the Tejas light combat aircraft. HAL chief has said that the idea is to manufacture the Tejas by setting up a factory in Egypt, as the Egyptian Air Force could be considering a large order, as it plans to retire around 100 Chinese K-8 trainers. HAL plans to offer the Tejas lift that can be programmed to mimic flight characters of any other platform like Rafale or Su-30 for training purposes, and the Egyptian Air Force already operates the Su-35 F-16 Rafale Mirage 2000 and MiG-29 fighter jets. HAL chief has said that the Tejas Mark 1A fighter jet meets almost every requirement of the Malaysian Air Force, and it has been offered to Malaysia at a price of $41.5 million per unit, and Tejas Mark 1 trainer at $37.6 million per unit. Feeling the price heat from the Tejas aircraft, China has offered the JF-17 at a 30% discount, which means that China is ready to offer the aircraft at a loss in order to capture the Malaysian market. The Malaysian Air Force is not impressed with the Chinese JF-17, as the mid-air refueling probe certification is pending, and it also lacks an onboard oxygen generating system, and the poor performance of its KLJ-7A radar and Russian-supplied RD-93 engine. The Chinese fighter jet is likely to be treated cautiously, after 16 fighter jets of the Chinese Air Force violated the Malaysian airspace on the island of Borneo in June this year. The US government has offered a discount to India in the proposed $3 billion deal for 30 MQ-9B armed drones, and has also offered to establish a maintenance and repair center in India that will cater to all American drones operating in the region. The Vice Chief of the Indian Navy has said that the procurement process is on, and the clearance from the Defence Acquisition Council is expected in a short while. The Gripen campaign chief Magnus Skogberg has said that Saab had offered 64 Gripen E fighters to Finland for €6.5 billion, with which Saab is sending out the message to India that compared to the French Rafale aircraft, twice the number of Gripen fighters can be procured at half the cost. He also said that Gripen's weapons package includes the Meteor air-to-air missile and the Spear 3 anti-ship missile, and these will cost about the same as the weapons package that is coming to India with the Rafale fighter jet. He also said that Saab has offered to assist in the development of the Tejas Mark II and AMCA next-generation fighter, as well as an attractive industrial participation package for maintenance, repair and overhaul facilities for the Gripen and aircraft subsystems.
Omar dropped it.